Everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and tonight I'll be unboxing this video game for the PS2. Apparently it's made by Studio Ghibli. Forgot what this game was called. I think it actually came out on my late friend's birthday. R.I.P. Devin Aladdin, if you're watching this from up above. Shout out. Also shout out to Tanner Boyce, who is his best friend. I know his brother's really good friends with my neighbor, J-Mo Strat. If you're watching this, J-Mo or Cha-Cha, hit me up. I have no clue how to open this the right way. Oh, you don't want to be in my video? Yeah, it's open now. Ooh. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of... How is it kind of wavy? It just got opened. It's new, as you can see on this disc. Let's look at the manual. It's probably in color, as Japanese manuals be. It is in color, as you can see. Okay. Overall, I'd have to give this unboxing maybe a 9.6 out of 10, maybe 9.7. I think it's a little weird. It might be a little too new, but still a great unboxing. It's hecka smooth. Super fun to look at. I think it came out in America, actually, on Devin Aladdin's birthday. This came out in Japan a year before that. Shout out to Devin Aladdin's friends. They're kind of cool. Shout out to Tanner Boyce. That'll be my review, and play hard, homies.